Sanchay is that part of our overall system that gathers manuscript images and places them in page order. One important part of this is in-library digital imaging of manuscripts. An Android smartphone is mounted on a stand which also provides the studio lighting for the manuscript pages. Once on the stand, the operator fires the camera by a handheld switch. Once the images have been captured, they are directly securely uploaded to the designated file server and cleared from the phone. Operator logs into the application. After successful login, he sees a dashboard where he gets to see how many images the camera can hold, the list and count of manuscripts already scanned and uploaded, and scanned but pending to be uploaded. Operator enters the library UID and the server validates that this phone is designated to work at that library only. Once the library is verified, imaging can begin. The manuscript accession number is the most important entry because an error in identification will result in misidentification. The operator is asked to enter manuscript UID twice to ensure there are no errors. He also records manuscript dimensions, length and breadth of a manuscript page, then places the camera on its stand. He can then adjust the height of the stand to get full screen coverage and alignment with the manuscript. Once the setup is done, the operator takes the test image to check the image quality. Once the test image is good, image production can be started. The operator must carefully place the manuscript pages under the camera, trigger image capture, and then remove them without changing the original order. The images are named in the sequence in which they are shot and stored on the camera. When all the pages have been imaged, the operator removes the phone from the stand and marks the completion of manuscript. The phone connects to the designated server and starts to transfer the captured images. This image upload works as a background process. The operator can then start with the next manuscript.